This is a seam joining presser foot. It features a baffle in the middle, which is designed for accurately joining two pieces of fabric or attaching lace and other types of trim. Turn off the sewing machine's power supply. Attach the edge joining foot. Guide the upper thread under the presser foot and pull it out together with the bobbin thread. Select the zigzag stitch. Set the width of the stitch to 5 millimeters and the length to 3 millimeters. Select needle position, middle, turn on the power switch. Turn the hand wheel before sewing to prevent needle and presser foot damage while sewing. When sewing, the two pieces of fabric must be close to the middle baffle of the presser foot. When sewing is finished, cut the thread. Patchworking lace. Align the lace on both sides of the baffle with the right side facing up, close to the seam, and start sewing. Sewing fine pleats. Fold a piece of fabric in half with wrong sides together and iron it flat. Place the folded seam close to the left side of the seam presser foot baffle. Turn on the power switch. Select the straight stitch. Set the width of the stitch to 0 millimeters and the length to 3 millimeters. Select the needle position left. Open the fabric at the end of sewing.